So you all are students and you all want to do something. Do means you want to go in any profession. Please keep your cameras on. So today's topic is very clear that in what profession you want to go. Means some of you would like to be teacher, some would like to be doctor, some would like to be engineer. So in what profession do you think you want to go? And you have to tell about that profession, that how that profession is useful in the for the society. I think the topic is clear to all. You have not to tell about any particular person, but you have to tell about the particular profession that you want to join. If you want to join engineering, if you want to become an engineer, so you have to tell about the profession of engineer. If you want to become a doctor, you have to tell about the profession of a doctor, how that profession is useful. If you want to become a teacher, tell that how a teacher is useful for our society. If you want to join police, army, then you have to tell that what is the role of police or army for our country, for our society. I think the topic is clear to you. If you want to become a businessman, then you must tell that what is the role, what should a role be of a businessman in business profession. So very simple topic. Okay. So now you should start giving your names in the message box. And yes, very good. I have got first name Yamini. So yes, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We are about to start our today's speaking session. And first of all, I've got the name of Yamini, then Gaurav, Rakshit. Okay, yes, come on, Yamini. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is what we want to become and what is the advantages of our profession
Hmm,
for our country. So, I want to be a maths teacher.
hmm,
In my so for becoming a maths teacher, I took maths.
hmm,
The reason of be a maths teacher is there are so many reasons.
hmm.
First is I like maths too much. I like to solve it, and when I solve maths, it is
Tell about the profession. Tell about the profession.
yes, sir. It is so in so it is so interesting. So, uh, so a role of a maths teacher is very important in our student life and also in big competition and big calculations, and also it is used in NASA, etc.
Hmm,
A, ma- a math teacher, a math teacher is a person who can solve the equations of high level, and by the solving these equations we can find so many things.
Shabas. Hmm,
We can find so many things like we can calculate the distance between sun and earth.
hmm.
We can we can find accurate values of uh, water's density, our mobile's radiations, etc.
Matlab, mathematics is the key of technology. Very good. Yes, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is a key of technology.
Hmm,
By by using mathematics, we can also know about the
hmm,
viscosity, etc.
hmm.
So in my view, it is a good subject, and it is also a mind freshing subject. It is also used in attacks also.
Hmm.
Like it is used in nuclear bomb attacks also. By using maths we can calculate accurate value degree theta, by which the bomb setted and blast at the useful point where where most of the country destroyed. So it is a useful subject. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, very good. Today we are not talking about subject, we are talking about a profession. थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ कर दिया तुमने, है ना? बाकी अच्छा बोला तुमने, बीच में जो तुमने बोला था उसका क्या यूजफुलनेस है मैथमेटिक्स की, इस प्रोफेशन की, वो तुमने बहुत अच्छा बोला था। फिर बीच में तुमने थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट हो गए तुम। कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन नाइस, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, कीप इट अप, शाबाश बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो। ओके, यस गौरव।
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is that what I want to become in my life and what is and how it is useful for our country. And I want to become a businessman because businessman sells product to the civils of countries and they use them and they also support made in India made in India because they sell Indian items to the Indian civils. And businessmen are also they are also included in exports and imports. Im, they export many goods to other countries and sell many goods to other countries, and this is profitable for the country's economy. And they sell products for the use of civils in our country and they use and their life is now comfortable because businessmen are selling them the products that are giving them comforts, and businessmen have a very big role in India's economy because the India's economy is built from the imports and exports, and you know that the businessman is only that sells products, and they are very useful also. That and some businessmen are so small, they have small shops, some have big companies. So business is not can be not called a job, not a job, it is a profession because we are not under someone. We are not under someone. We have our own
मास्टर।
company, own shop, and own business, and own job. So it is can't be called a job like a office work or teacher or doctor. We have to work under a manager or owner because and all jobs are business because the owner of the company is also a businessman. So means the starting of all jobs is also business, but business is very hard to do because we don't know that we will get profit or loss, and business can make a rich man very poor and a very poor to very rich. So it is a bit risky, but
शाबाश शाबाश।
but when you will build a big reputation of your company or shop, you will get profit, and you will also make the civils and customers of your shop happy. That's it. Thank you, sir.
नाइस 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 नॉलेज, नाइस स्पीकिंग, शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप बेटा, वेरी गुड। यस रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Dakshit Maurya. Today I am telling about in what profession I want to go. As we all know that there are many professions in our society and all are important and all run the society and contribute in the society, and to be in any profession it is a challenge and a tough path for us. We and one of the profession in which I want to go is engineering. I want to be an engineer, and there are many types of engineering like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, etc.
mm,
And engineers play a very important role for our society.
mm,
They, by engineers, our life has become very easy. That like that we use many things
mm,
that are very useful, and that makes our work done with an easy way. Like we can take the example of mobile. That mobile is a good device which is used for many purposes by humans in
mm,
present time.
mm.
And like there are there are civil engineers who make the maps of big buildings, by which there are many big buildings with a strong sir नींव को क्या बोलते हैं,
Foundation.
with a strong foundation. And many of them are able to face disasters also.
Mm,
And there are mechanical engineers like they. And we can take the example of mobile many tech devices, like mobile, laptop, etc. So by these things our life has become very easy. And so in this way engineers play a very important role. So that's it.
very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about my dream. I want to become an engineer, and as we all know that in our society, engineers play a vital role, because as we can see in our surrounding, there is the things we see in our surrounding are made by engineers only. And as you all know that there are many big colleges and universities in our country, and as and there are a lot of colleges at government level, or we can say at a good level, to go. And that in that colleges we should should do a lot of hard work. This tells that government want skilled engineers who can develop the country. So, in my view, by seeing such examples, I think that engineers are the backbone of a country, because without engineers, a country will not go. Engineers provide good instruments, or we can say good things to the country that are helpful for the people of the country.
Mm,
And as you all know, if we become an engineer, engineering gives us a good reputation, also a good salary, also. And by becoming an engineer, we can serve a country more.
mm,
Because our new inventions made a big difference in the country and the people. We can do whatever we want, if we have the potential to do that. So when we will work with the full potential for our country, and if we develop new instruments that are at low price and good for our country, then the country will grow, and the people will
शाबाश.
feel safe and want the good for us, because we created that luxurious for the people.
बहुत बढ़िया.
As engineers have the ability to convert any high costly thing into low cost thing. Because like if we can see that the persons like if that nowadays machines are at a very high cost, because there are many equipments used in that machines, but engineers have the capability that they can reduce the
Nice.
amount of
Hello, very good.
reduce the amount of things used in unwanted things used in a machine, and can lower the price of the machine. So this will help the people of the country more. And as you know that in every country want engineers, not because they serve good, they serve country good, because most of the cases in the engineers are the best way. Because as we can see that in other occupations like teaching, medical, these occupations also, the things of engineers are huge. And if the engineers will be less in the country, then how will the country will grow?
Mm,
So engineers should be there in a high amount in the country, not the engineers, skilled engineers. Because like if we can see there are many engineers, but they do not have the skill, then what will they change in the country?
Shabash.
So a country should have many engineers that are skilled, and because of engineers, a country grows more. That are, as we can see, many examples in our surroundings. That's it.
शाबाश, नाइस फ्लो यार, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत स्पीड से बोलता है, अच्छा बोलता है, लेकिन अब ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक बहुत कम होती है तेरी, शाबाश। यस हर्ष, अरे मैंने तो इसको कर दिया दोबारा, ओके ओके दोबारा कर।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is what is my dream and how my dream will help to grow the country. My dream is to become an engineer, so that I can make a lot of things for the country at very cheaply and luxuriously. Uh, that will help the countryman and also the country to grow. uh, engineers are used in all engineers equipments are used in all the fields. Like we can take the example of ours that we all are sitting here and taking class in mobile. Who made the mobile? A scientist or an engineer? And to become an engineer, we should take PCM in 12th, that is physics, chemistry, and maths. Because to make anything we should have a knowledge of chemicals and also of the formulas. And to calculate anything we should know how to calculate it, and we will be helped by in this by math. And in engineers, and many people say that engineers are a backbone of the country because they serve in a high amount for a country. Everything which is used by the countrymen are made by engineers. And if there would be less engineers in the country, then the cost of things will be higher, uh, and the amount and quality of things will be less. And there is a line that that quality is bigger than quantity. So this line also prefers for engineers, because if there would be a lot of engineers with no quality, then they will just make uh, a fool of the countrymen by making a uh, useless things at a very high price. But if there will be quality and quantity in a country, then the country will grow faster. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और अभी लेंथ बढ़ाओ, ठीक है ना, फोकस फोकस और थोड़ा सा डेवलप करो बेटा, है ना, बाकी बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सब कुछ फर्स्ट क्लास। ओके, यस कम ऑन हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Mora. I'm the student of Ramar Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is what I want to be and how it can help our country. As we can see that there are many occupations all around us, and I want to be an engineer because an engineer is a person who is very important for our society to build many things. Like we can see almost everything is made by engineers. Like we can see that the thing that is making our rooms bright is light, bulb, and bulb is made by an
लैंप,
engineer.
ओके ओके, हाँ लैंप, हाँ
Oh,
बोलो,
lamp.
हाँ
Yes, sir. And we can take many examples by which we can specify this, that engineers are very important for our country and can also be known as the backbone
शाबाश,
of
वेरी
our
गुड।
country. Like we can say that the biggest invention of science is mobile phone, and we can say that by mobile phone we can do many types of things. Like we can take online classes and make our education better, and we can see many tutorials of things such as sports, cooking, and many types of
परफेक्ट,
these many types of things by which we can improve ourselves. And an engineer is a person who thinks about his country, that how can he serve his country by making his products. Like an engineer can make anything cheap, that cheap and helpful to the country, which is in better in quality. Like we can see that many things are made in India nowadays, and engineer is very important for making these things in our country. And the engineers are very important for buildings also, because we can say civil engineers who makes buildings, and buildings are very important for the people to do their work, to live there and lead a happy life. And we can see that nowadays we use vehicles and the engines and everything is made by an engineer. So in my view, engineer is one of the most important occupations in our country, and it can be also said the backbone of our country, by which our country uh, is uh, is progressing in this world. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, नाइस, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आया तुम्हारा, शाबाश, कीप इट अप। यस, फोकस करोगे तो अपने आप आ जाएगा वो सब कुछ। फोकस है सबके पीछे की चाबी, जो है ना वो फोकस है बेटा, ध्यान रख लेना सारे के सारे। यस, कम ऑन सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16, and today my topic is that what do I want to become? As we know that all occupations are important for our society, uh, like doctor, teacher, engineer, soldier, etc. And the soldier is one of them, and it is, I think that it is most important thing for our country, because without them we can't live alive. And at most we can't eat food without them, and they are very important for our country, and they contribute the country without selfness, and many soldiers die for his country.
देयर कंट्री, मैनी सोल्जर्स बोला है उधर।
Yes, sir, their
फोकस करो,
country.
फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, कुछ नहीं है, बस फोकस करो बस। हाँ,
Yes, yes, sir. And and we can notice that in history there were some people who lost their life for their country, like Bhagat Singh, Maharana Pratap, and Chhatrapati Shivaji, etc. And these are my ideals, and I get motivation from them. And when I share this aim to with people, they say me that you are fool, you are going to army for die. But I say them, I want death with respect, not ordinary death. And there are many units in army, like Marcos, NSG, SPG, and Special Force, etc. And there are total 27 regiments in Indian Army. And the popular regiments are Sikh Jat regiment, and Maratha, Rajputana, etc. And the Indian Army also contribute in disasters when when some when any disaster take place. Like we can notice that there are many earthquakes in Odisha, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir. Only Indian Army reach to them and they save them. So in my view, I think that the Indian Army is very important.
ओहो, तुम्हारे को अब बोल लो। यस, कम ऑन सुशील, हो गया तुम्हारा? सुशील, हेलो, कुछ रह गया अभी?
Yes, sir. हो गया सर मेरा पूरा तो।
ओके ओके, अब वो नाम भी, एक मिनट जरा मैं तुम्हारे नाम देखता हूँ पहले, तो किसका नाम है?
टीवी
ये पूरा नहीं आ रहा है स्क्रीन पे। वो नाम गए। तुम्हारे पास नाम होंगे यार।
यस सर।
किसका नाम है रक्षित इसके बाद में, सुशील के बाद में?
सर कबीर का।
बट ये
यस सर।
पूरा क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? ये एक मिनट रुक जाओ, बताओ अब जरा मेरे को, क्योंकि मेरे पास से तो चले गए सारे नाम। एक जना नाम बताता रहे मेरे को, कौन बोलेगा नाम? यस, रक्षित। कौन बोलेगा? सुशील तुम बोल दो। हेलो।
यस सर।
हाँ भाई, एक जना नाम बोलो, किसका नाम है? अपने आप आ जाओ जिसका नाम है। कबीर आ जाओ। यस, कमॉन कबीर।
सर मेरा
हाँ बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambal English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is what I shall want to become in my future. As we know that we are human being and we have different profession in our life. Like someone is engineer, someone is soldier, and someone is uh, a teacher. So I want to become an engineer. Oh, I want to become a software engineer. A software engineer has a different role in in his career. Uh, they make the interior parts of the TV. As we know that we live in the age of science, and science give us a big gift, which is phone. It is also gave by it was also gave by engineers.
गिवन, इट हैज बीन गिवन। टेंस का ध्यान रखो, वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान
It
रखो।
has been given.
और कल से मंडे से 6:45 के लिए ज्वाइन करोगे आप। हाँ बोलो।
Yes sir. It has been given by engineers. Engineers, software engineer is very important for our world, and they give they give they give many ideas to our country,
बोलते जाओ
which is
फ्लो
very
लाओ थोड़ा। हाँ
which is very useful and helpful for our country. So in my view, software engineer is very important for our world. Yes sir, that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, शाबाश। अपने टेंसेस का ध्यान रखो और कल से 6:45 ज्वाइन करो आप क्लास मंडे से। नाउ
Yes
हुज टर्न
sir.
इज इट? कम ऑन।
Sir Aditya.
हाँ आदित्य बोलो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Janawat. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18. Today's our topic is
क्या हुआ?
सर हिंदी में बोल दूं एक बार
अच्छा बोल दे।
कि हम बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं।
किस प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहते हैं, उस प्रोफेशन के बारे में बताना है अपने को। यस बोलो।
Yes, sir. I want to become a RJS. RJS full form is Rajasthan Judge Association.
जुडिशियल सर्विसेज, राजस्थान जुडिशियल सर्विसेज। आगे बोलो। हाँ
Sir, judge is very important in our life. A judge take many cases, and lawyers take our client and go court, and say our question and answers to judge, and judge take good choices and arrest any person, and with and judge is very big thing in the world. Judge takes many judge take many many is a judge ju- judge attend many meetings for government and any businessmen
Hmm.
and and judge cannot take rest only he go their hard work go नहीं
फोकस कर बेटा, फोकस तेरा लूज हो जाता है। हाँ।
do their hard work
हम्म।
and and judge and the judge is not a and I study arts for make for become a judge.
हम्म।
At last I want to say that this is my dream to become a judge. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके, ठीक है। अभी इसके टॉपिक के ऊपर लिखना और मेरे को सेंड करना बेटा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
और पॉसिबल है तो मंडे से 6:45 पे क्लास ज्वाइन करो, इफ
Yes.
पॉसिबल। ओके बेटा?
Yes,
यस,
sir.
एक बार थोड़ा सा और आपको करेंगे। यस, अब किसका नाम है? हुज नेम इज देयर? नाम बोलो फटाफट से, रेडी हो जाओ, अपने कैमरे चालू रहो। किसका नाम है? आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या मेरी?
सर
कोमल, अपना खुद नाम खुद देख लो, अब खुद आ जाओ फटाफट से। कोमल है या नहीं है?
यस सर।
बेटा अपना नाम देख के खुद नहीं आ सकती तू?
सर मतलब कि मेरे ऊपर कोई था नहीं ना, मैंने बहुत बाद में क्लास ज्वाइन की थी, इसलिए मेरे को दिखा नहीं किसी का
किसी
नाम।
के पास तो पूरे नाम होंगे ना शुरू से, कम एक जना तो बोल सकता है ना नाम। ऐसे क्या करते हो? यस, बोलो कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bhairava and today my topic is what do I want to become in my life, and I want to become a teacher, and we all know that education is also very important for us, and we all know that we have many occupations in our life, like doctor, engineer, uh, teacher, and a good person also, and all occupations and all person are very important in our life, and we all know that doctors and a policeman, teachers, all people are very important for our life, and with the help of all people we can live our life with happiness and secure, and we all know that
सिक्योरिटी,
education
सिक्योर
is
नहीं,
very.
सिक्योरिटी। हाँ, आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. And we all know that education is very important for our life, and with the help of education, we can achieve our goals and become a good person and good citizen for our country. And in my future, I want to become also a teacher, and I I can see that teachers are very responsible for students, and students also become good for from a teacher, because a teacher is very a teacher is a disciplined teacher and a good teacher also, and students also follow their teacher and parents also, and I see a very good teacher in my life, like Rajesh ji sir and Babita madam also, and I want to become also good teacher in my life, and I want to become a good teacher, and I want to that I also become a good person in my life. That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा। यस, हुज टर्न इज इट? कम, हरी अप, अपने आप आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is our dream. And there are many occupations like police, doctors, teachers, engineer, etc. So, so my occupation is a policeman, and I want to become a policeman because it is my dream, and I want to change rule and regulations, and I I remove evils from society, uh, and and a policeman solve crime, and and a policeman a policeman will I will remove circumstances, and
Circumstances क्या?
and policemen protect people and pros, their property, and and I have a lot of the policemen have a lot of responsibility, and and a policeman ca- a policeman care all society, and policemen give their give his survive to the people, and the policeman make many rules, and the policeman arrest who don't follow the rules and regulations, and I will work security guard as a security guard of society, and I I I will keep all society good, and I will remove all evils, and I like the profession because it is very important for all countries. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा आज थोड़े थॉट्स में गड़बड़ हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन है ना, लिखना है इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आप.
Yes,
ओके
sir.
बेटा. यस. नाउ whose turn is it? Come on, hurry up. After Lakshmi, whose name is there? देखो लक्ष्मी किसका नाम है तुम्हारे बाद में?
मधु दीदी.
मधु. आ जाओ मधु. Come on.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from Batch 20. Today my topic is about the profession I want to join.
शाबाश.
I want to be a teacher.
बाकी के लोग नाम लिखो अपने फटाफट से, अभी बाकी हैं कई. यस बोलो बेटा.
Teachers play a vital role in a student's life. Every student is equal in the teacher's eyes, and they are our second parents. They help a student in learning new things. A teacher's best role is to educate students with fun activities. And students grow academically strong and get motivated to better in life. A good teacher are the gift of God, who guide students towards success. A teacher not only imparts knowledge but also act a facilitator. The teachers motivate students and help them, and teachers guide students and help them in every field. And without the guidance of teachers, we are really incomplete. A teacher is an important person in everyone's life. And teacher is a backbone of our society. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. यह सब कौन है? आ जाओ, अभी तो नाम बाकी है. किस किस के? देखो अभी यहाँ पर है या नहीं है? खुशी गुजर, खुशी बैरवा, मुस्कान नहीं है, काजल भी नहीं है, आई तो थी चली गई. हाँ भैया फटाफट से बोलो. खुशी गुजर, खुशी बैरवा. बोलो।
Yes, sir.
रश्मि, तुम्हारा नाम भी नहीं आया अभी, बोलो खुशी गुजर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो, थोड़ा बोलो, घबराओ मत, कोई बात नहीं, प्रैक्टिस करो, बोलो।
My name is Suki Gujar. My topic is our dream. My dream, I want to become a good writer.
शाबाश।
My favorite writer is philosopher writers or philosopher writer. Writer is very important in the world because writers write their thought
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो, धीरे धीरे बोलो, थोड़ा बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो। हाँ।
and writers write a book and publish. Most of the people buy book and read.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलते जाओ, थॉट्स की बात है बस, और कुछ नहीं है, बोलते जाओ, जितना हो सकता है उतना बोल लो, आराम से, घबराओ मत।
There are many writers in our country. And that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बस कोशिश
सर,
करनी है
वो
बस। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, मुझे पता है कुछ आज तुम कहीं हो नहीं जाते, या फिर कुछ इश्यू है तुम्हारे साथ में, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत। आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई नो योर एबिलिटीज। यस, कम ऑन खुशी बैरवा, बस पार्टिसिपेशन होना चाहिए अपना, कोई घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, होता है कई बार, है ना। हाँ,
My
यस।
topic is my dream and not profession. I my main aim to become police officer is the safety of women. I will make the women in safety our ever aware about their
फोकस करो, फोकस, कुछ डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है इधर उधर, फोकस करो, फोकस नहीं करोगे जब तक कंफ्यूज रहोगे अंदर से। हाँ।
I love to serve my nation.
सेवर नहीं, सर्व।
Serve my nation. I love the police uniform. I want to give crime free environment to every citizen of my country.
बहुत बढ़िया सेंटेंस बोला है, वेंट नहीं वांट होता है ये, बोलो, सेंटेंस अच्छा बोला है पूरा, कहीं कोई गलती नहीं है। फ्लो लाओ, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो आप अभी, और हाँ, कल की तरह जैसे कल किया था।
Moreover, it is my dream to wear police uniform in the future.
यूनिफॉर्म नहीं, यूनिफॉर्म।
Uniform in the future. Policemen help us when we are lost or in danger, and they bad guys who drunk the law. I want to become.
वेंट नहीं, वांट।
I want
हाँ,
to.
ठीक करो इनको बेटा। हाँ,
I want to become a police officer to bring positivity change to society. That's it, sir.
थॉट तो बहुत अच्छे हैं तुम्हारे, फोकस को थोड़ा सा, कल कितना अच्छा बोला था तुमने, है? उसको कंसिस्टेंसी रखो, कल कितना अच्छा बोला था तुमने, देखो।
सर मैं अभी जॉब पे हूँ, इसलिए मैंने
अच्छा, ओके ओके, मैं समझ रहा हूँ। मैं कह रहा था ना कुछ डिस्टरबेंस है तुम्हारे आसपास किसी ना किसी तरीके का। कोई बात नहीं बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ भैया, और कौन कौन है? हाँ, मैं समझ रहा था कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है, तुम इजी फील नहीं कर रहे हो, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल। हाँ यस, अभी कौन कौन दिख रहा है मेरे को यहाँ पे? रश्मि, रश्मि, क्लोजिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग। नाइस स्पीकिंग, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, कीप इट अप। यस, किसका? मुस्कान।
यस सर।
आ जा ना फिर, ना तेरा नाम आया ना तू आई, दिख नहीं रही मेरे को, मैंने पहले भी आवाज लगी थी। बोल बेटा, आ जा।
सर मैं भूल।
कोई बात
अच्छा,
नहीं, बोल बेटा, तू तो बोल।
ओके। Good evening, everyone. And today my topic is about the promotion
प्रमोशन, प्रोफेशन।
about the profession I want to join.
शाबाश, बोल धीरे 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 धीरे।
I want to become a doctor. Mm. I want to become honest doctor.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलो ऐसे धीरे धीरे, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा। हाँ
Yes sir. Sir, एक सेकंड। Doctor works in hospital. Doctor saves more lives.
वेरी गुड।
And doctor works with team in operation. Doctor solves all diseases.
क्योर्स ऑल डिजीजेस। बोल बोल, घबराए मत तू, बोल बोल, हो जाएगा सब
Like
ठीक।
like dengue, malaria.
मलेरिया।
Etc.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, एटसेट्रा सबसे बढ़िया इलाज है, बोल। हाँ,
और doctor is very important for the society.
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बोलने की कोशिश करती है, अब तो बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गई है। हाँ, बस कोशिश करती रहे, फोकस कर। हाँ,
People may need a doctor at any time.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोल।
Sometime doctor may be needed.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ, परफेक्ट बनाया
Even
एकदम।
now, I want to. नहीं तो
हो गया, दोबारा बोल दे, कोई बात नहीं है, हो गया तो हो जाने दे, दोबारा बोल दे।
I want to become honest doctor, and when I grow up, and I want to help everyone. That's it.
शाबाश, तो बहुत अच्छा करने लग गई तू, फोकस तेरा डेवलप होने लग गया बेटा। बस बात ये है, इसको कंटिन्यू रखो बेटा, है ना। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा करने लग गई तू अब, शाबाश। अब तो तेरे को डांटने का भी मन नहीं करता मेरे को, तो खूब डांट खाई है तूने। हाँ, आजा रश्मि, आजा बेटा।
ओके सर, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है बेटा, कैमरा बंद कर रख अपना, और आवाज बोल तू तो बेटा।
ओके सर। My profession is judge. A judge is one who is given the authority and power and is in charge of
बेटा
a trial.
आदित्य ध्यान से सुनो अब, तुम जरा, तुमने भी जज पे ही बोला था, ध्यान से सुनो अब आदित्य। हाँ बोल बेटा अब।
Trial in a court. The judge is the one who take decision in the court in a dispute.
शाबाश।
It is a judge's job to decide after listening to the argument of the lawyers
बहुत बढ़िया
of
बेटा, अरे बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ बोलती रहे, बोलती रहे।
of both parties. The judge resolve dispute. The judge give punishment criminal according to their crime.
हाँ, to criminals according to their offense। हाँ बोलो।
Judge have a highest position in court. Judge have authority to decide.
has, just singular है, has। हाँ बोल बोल।
Judge has authority to decide legal cases. The judge has the right to enjoy judicial independence.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है हाँ
The judge only believe proof and evidence. The judge plays very important role in democracy. The judge part of judiciary. The judiciary is in judiciary has a highest position.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है बेटा आज तो तू हाँ
Judge is considered one of the 3 pillars of democracy.
बोलती रहे
Along with the legislative and the executive. Judiciary check the other making sure that they don't cross their lines. Cross lines.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलती रहे बेटा हाँ
I become a judge. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा तो तेरा परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है कंसिस्टेंसी रखो बेटा है ना हाँ इससे अच्छा ही करना है आगे इससे डाउन नहीं जाना है और कोई है कोई और सबने बोल लिया सबका हो गया चलिए ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच